Jeow Patoo is a delicious mackerel dip pounded together with herbs and chili. It's enjoyable with steamed veggies, but best with sticky rice. You want to take out all the bones. Okay, so here is the meat, and the bones and skin is out. But if there's a little bit of skin in there, don't worry about it. It's probably stuck to the meat. For the cilantro, if it's this big of a bunch, you don't need this much. So you could probably use half of it. This is the best kind of cilantro stalks to make with the jeow. Okay, so here's the cilantro. Look at this. We're gonna lightly roast this one. Now you want to cut the end of it off, the hard part. While the cilantro is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and thumb all this. So first we want to do the pepper, and then you want to do the garlic and the onions. Let's throw the peppers in there. There's that stickiness again. And now we're gonna put in all this. Well, it wasn't spicy enough, so I'm gonna put 4 more peppers in there. Just the mackerel itself is full of flavor, but to add herbs and spices takes your taste buds to a whole nother level. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.